we're going to look at the last scenario for partial fractions. In this example, we have an improper fraction. Okay, why is this improper? Okay, whenever the degree of the numerator is equal or bigger than the degree of the denominator, this is an improper fraction. Okay, we can draw a parallel from numbers. Let's say I have number 7 over 5. This is improper, and this can be written as 1 and 2 over 5, which is the same as 1 plus 2 over 5. Okay. Now, how do I write an improper fraction to a proper number, a mixed number? Okay, we simply do long division. Okay, 5 times 1 is 5, and you're left with 2. So 2 is the remainder, 5 is my divisor, and 1 is my quotient. Okay, so in order to express this into partial fractions, we must first make it proper. Okay, just like what we did for numbers. Okay, so in this case, we need to do long division. Okay, the numerator, the divisor. So let's recap on long division. So we have x cubed minus x, okay, negative x squared plus x minus 6 minus 1. So you get negative x squared plus 1. So you end up with x minus 7. So in this case, I can express my fraction in the form of quotient plus remainder over the divisor, just like what we did with numbers. But notice further that the denominator here, x squared minus 1, can be rewritten as x minus 7 over x minus 1 times x plus 1. So all we have to do now is to express this term in its partial fractions, which is exactly what we did in the first example. So let's look at this now, and let x minus 7 over x minus 1, x plus 1 equals to a over x minus 1 plus b over x plus 1. Again, I try to express the right hand side into a single fraction. Okay, and since this is an identity, the numerators are equal to one another. At this step, I choose to use substitution. Okay, so I let x equals to negative 1. So on the left hand side, negative 8 is equals to negative 2b. So this implies b is equals to 4. Again, I use substitution. Let x equals to 1. So negative 6 is equals to 2a plus 0. So this implies a equals to negative 3. So hence, I can conclude that my original fraction can be expressed as x minus 1 plus negative 3 over x minus 1 plus 4 over x plus 1. Okay, so since this is negative, I can rewrite this as x minus 1 minus 3 over x minus 1 plus 4 over x plus 1. Okay, so this is the partial fraction.